Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mike Armstrong podcast show and Mike Armstrong YouTube channel. I'm just having a little chat about Clubhouse, new Clubhouse app. Clubhouse. I've met a lot of people on there in the last week. This is my 8th day of using it today, so I'm just going to give people a little rundown into how I found it. I'm a digital marketer. I've been using social media for 20 years since the start of LinkedIn. And I think Clubhouse is going to take over all other social media platforms, especially in the area of B2B networking. Because it's voice only and no image, you can actually get on and do other stuff whilst networking and connecting and learning. It's got the 4 things that I love in an app or in life. It's got connecting and networking. It's got learning. It's got speaking, and it's got listening. And if you like speaking, learning, listening, and connecting, then the Clubhouse app is for you. I've been doing a few all you can speak or all can speak global networking. I've been doing a few all can speak global speed networking by Mike Armstrong events on the platform. And they've been going really, really well, connecting with people all around the world. People look at your profile picture and then they click on your image to bring up another profile where you can put in a little bit about you, and you can link to your Twitter and your Instagram. And since the 8 days that I have been using it, so in the last 8 days since I joined, I probably had hundreds of connections. I've had hundreds of Instagram followers. I've had hundreds of Twitter followers. I've had lots of people subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's an amazing platform for networking and connecting and growing. So highly recommend anyone who's not on there to get on there. You need an invite to get on there, but just ask around all your super connected contacts and see if you can get an invite off somebody. In addition to that, there's a few things you need to learn on the Clubhouse app. You've got to be able to speak, so you've got to be confident. There's a lot of people who are very succinct, very direct with what they're doing. So you need to be able to come up with an elevator pitch. You need to be able to create a good profile and have a good Twitter and LinkedIn account, which obviously you can link from your profile to. So that's got to sort of say something a little bit about you, and it's got to be representative of your brand, etc. So make sure you're linking to a good Twitter and a good LinkedIn account. And then other things I would advise people to do: be polite and courteous, be quick and succinct and to the point, join lots of rooms that are relevant to you. You can set up your own events with good keyword description names, or you can pre-schedule them for later on in the week. If you schedule them for later on in the week, the actual system will market the event for you, and people can start popping in their diary. It means you've got a bit of an advantage rather than just setting it up off the cuff. Get into loads of rooms with lots of good people and listen to the golden nuggets that are being dropped all over the system. You can have one-on-one private chats with people on the system. Give yourself a good keyword, a good name and a good keyword description of what you do. In your profile, put lots of the sort of things you're interested in, and then you'll get notified when people set up rooms that have your interest things in them. So say, for example, you're interested in property, put property on your profile, and then if someone sets up a property room, you'll get a notification of it. And then one of the best things you can do on the actual platform is you can actually follow people around. So you can actually get an alert when certain speakers are speaking on a stage. So if you really connect and like people and speakers and people who moderate rooms and that sort of thing, then you can actually press a bell, which is settings for notification. And when you click on someone's profile, you can select always or sometimes, and then you'll receive notifications when they actually join stages and set up rooms and that sort of thing. So it's a great way of following influential people around, getting connected with people you resonate with, and all that sort of thing. So I highly recommend using Clubhouse, the Clubhouse app. It's only available on iPhone at the moment. You have to download the Clubhouse app. There's like a black bohemian looking fella on the app. So that's the app, download it. It's not available on Android at the moment, but it'll be out in March, I believe. And just enjoy it. It's a great platform. Enjoy it. Try not to get too addicted, but it is very addictive. Best thing to do is just schedule it into your normal sort of marketing routine. It is hard to do though because it's fairly addictive. I have told you that, so be warned. But other than that, enjoy it. Look out for me. Check me out on Clubhouse at Mike Armstrong. You can find me on Clubhouse and all social media platforms, hashtag Mike Armstrong, including Clubhouse when I'm doing my rooms and my events. And I look forward to connecting with you. Pretty much nothing else to say other than have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.